Welcome to my vlog! Miss na ubi ang mata, miss na ubi.
Parang old town tong lugar nito.
Welcome to my vlog!
Ayan o, ngayon na 11 o'clock. Kaya nagkakaroon na ng pila mga ibang vendor. Ayan o. Kakaroon ng mga pila na. Dumadami na yung mga tao. Ayan, dumadami na yung mga tao.
She is very active and she will see her perform again. Thank you very much, Belle.
Ano ito? Samahan.
A good friend and a good dancer. Lead dancer.
Samahan event po ito.
Miss Nelly Lau. She is wearing a traditional woven fabric from Mindanao. And all the way from that blouse to that skirt. Beautiful butterfly sleeves. Very modern, but traditional. I love you, Nelly.
Dahil din nanonood.
And now we have a special couple. Another member of the Lions Club and a good friend of mine. Please welcome Joe and Jocelyn. They are wearing one of their collections from the Musa Fashion Show, which went around the world. They went to New York as well and some other states. Joe is wearing a traditionally designed barong with a Chinese collar, with that fabric Musa on the collar and the front, embezzled with little tiny beads and pearls. And Jocelyn is wearing her gown so chic, so modern. The Filipina version of a modern Filipina she is. Mr. Joe and Jocelyn Ragonis. Give her a big hand. Last but not least, let me tell you about the place. And it's her wife Perchance, who became very good friends. Everyone, give a big hand to our movie actress, Miss Stella Suarez. Stella is wearing that what we call a turnal. This is the perfect for a turnal review. It's royal blue, embellished in the front with beautiful different colored flowers on that gown. Gold trim up to her skirt. The butterfly sleeves would always remind you of our Imelda Marcos. Somebody already commented, she looks like her. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big hand to my friend Stella Suarez. And for our finale, let me let you enjoy them once more with their rounds. Ladies.
Samahan Festival. padjak dito.
Maybe I'll see you next year. My name is Lucia.
Yung mga nakakaano nito, oh, relate sa padjak.
Turn over to you, everybody. How about another hand for them? That was awesome. Beautiful.
Wala pa masyadong tao pero maano na ho. Medyo pumipila na yung mga tao ngayon. Mga pumipila na yung tao ngayon. Kaya may TV pa dito. Naka-televise. No customer yet?
No customer yet.
Oh!
Wow, vlogger. Look at our new vlogger.
Ayan o, dito inaano na, dinudumog na sila. Nagkakapila-pila na. Yung iba wala pa o. Ayan, kay Maui, ayan, mayroong customer. Medyo maano-ano na, ayan o, pila-pila na. Emoji, wala. Sa amin, wala rin o, ayun, meron na. Meron ng ano. Na may ano na sa amin, may customer na. Ayan o, sa amin o, may ano na, may pila na. Mi-stop muna ako kami ng ano, ng pagluluto kasi marami na kami nailuto. Mamaya-maya naman ng konti. Ano. Pasulpot-sulpot ang tao. Paano ano. Nandito tayo sa likod ngayon.
Beautiful. Keep it going.
Okay.
Yeah, come spin for the vlog.
Ang kapalaran.
Oh my god. Congratulations. Number 2. Yeah, I have a question for you though. Do you have to see to pick another room in couples getaways?
No, that's okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
Wait, you sell food here? Where? No.
No, that's okay.
Is that here?
That's Gabinas.
Is it good?
Yeah. That's a Filipino food. That's a good one. The barbecue. Yeah, may pila pa kami. So, hindi mahaba, hindi katulad ng ganyan, no? Mahaba.
Thanks for watching.